You are able to sponsor an English team, not 1, 2, 3. And I know when you sponsor Barcelona, how much it requires. And when a Kenyan company can actually sponsor a Premier League club in the United Kingdom, it is a matter which, you know, automatically will attract the attention of the taxman. And then, in relation to what when you sponsor local teams, the amount of money you're using to sponsor local teams compared to enabling even Hull or Everton to wear your shirts, branded shirts from Sportpesa, the amount of money you're paying. You are now even in Formula One. I'm a great follower of Formula One. You're sponsoring Formula One. You are in the league with Red Bull. You know, the sponsors of Formula One are not ordinary companies. So part of it is your behavior. You're showing quite clearly you have a lot of money.
They requested for evidence of tax compliance, and we provided evidence. They asked even for evidence of payment of taxes, where we had to provide receipts of payments to the Kenya Revenue Authority. And we provided them with information of the pending disputed taxation issues in terms of the withholding tax. But to date, as Sportpesa, I don't know the rest of the companies, we have received no communication from Betting Control and Licensing Board. We have not been told reasons why our license has not been renewed. We have actually not even been told that our license has not been renewed. We've had zero communication from the Betting Control and Licensing Board.
Is the Ministry of Interior, because I think I saw that's where that letter originated, are they trying to legislate morality by closing some companies down, but at the same time leaving others in the same field?